Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ito tayo ngayon. Kumakain ng green mango. Nagilo na siya. Hindi na siya green. So, green mango with bagoong. Green mango with bagoong. Charot. Kaya, mayroon tayong pictures ngayon na si Inting. Ito siya si Inting Butingting. Yan. Shout out siya si Inting Butingting. At saka si Ma'am Bicolana from Las Vegas. In Las Vegas. Yan. Shout out din. Salamat din tayo kay before playing their videos. Yan. Si Ma'am Bicolana in Las Vegas. Salamat tayo kay Ma'am Hanipay sa Hong Kong. Salamat tayo sa krasyang ibinigay sa akin sa channel ko. Okay. Yan. Thank you very much, ma'am. And right now, I'm playing the video of the latest video of mom living after 50s. DoorDash, Grubhub, Rail delivery. Sorry guys, mayroon kasi akong asthma. Kaya hindi mainit sa, it's very hot in the Philippines and my asthma is keep on attacking. But it's okay, I can handle it. I have a maintenance. This one, the wife just bought medicine. This one, maintenance medicine for asthma sa hika, sa Tagalog. In Tagalog we call this hika. Okay. Tagalog in the Philippines we call this hika, Tagalog version. Charot. Tika. 1 moment. Just unpacking my medicine for asthma. This one. This is my nebulizer. Yeah. I think this is already 1,000 plus. Yeah, 1,000. So this medicine is good only for 1 month. Nebulizer 1,000 per month for asthma, for my asthma maintenance. If you will not take this medicine, I will be hospitalized. Yan. So just unpacking my it's very effective medicine, Symbicort. Okay. Symbicort. This one, it's an inhaler. Yeah. Let's share this one, and then you can see it. Yeah, okay. So that's it. 2 pop in the morning and 2 pop in the evening. Yan. So I can live forever. Charot. So it's let's do this every twice a day. Yeah, twice a day. So shout out guys sa kay Ma'am Bicolana. Naihi ako. 1 minute guys, I will go to bathroom. Wow. Wait ko to. Okay. So let's play the video from Bicolana. Okay. One video is ipi-play ko na yata ang video niya. Okay lang. So, sige lang. Ipi-play natin balik. Po si Inting Butingting. Ipi-play natin ang video ni Inting Butingting. So, okay. While eating. iting-iting. So, living after 50s, nag-clean ako. Saka si Ma'am Fatima. Shout out to Ma'am Fatima Shahida. Ito rin. Napa to? My wife just enter our room. Yeah. So, kasi kuan pa play ko si kuan. Shout out to Ma'am Norin Village yan. I'm playing her video, ma'am. Don't forget to kuan support Ma'am Norin. So we have 93,000 subscriber. And Ma'am Fatima, lacking lang siya na watch hour, and then living after 50s watch hour also. Kasi we have also Inting Butingting is right now kuan ongoing na yung kuan niya. So shout out Inting Butingting and Bicolana. Yan si Ma'am Bicolana. So before playing their videos, okay, shout out mga tayo kay okay, loading. Yan. Shout out to Ma'am Shen Piano Salon, my member. And then also Drone from Life, also my member. So let's play one of their videos. Ito, i-play natin sila. So ito one and latest videos. Okay. Ito si Ma'am Shen is yung isa. So shout out din kay ito rin si Ma'am Hanipay. Yan, shout out si Ma'am Hanipay Vlog. Alarm na. So, shout out. Magpi-play tayo kay Ma'am Hanipay ng isang video din. Yan. Ito. Sa kabukiran tayo. Wag. Iba na lang. Sige, ito to. Kabukiran lang. Okay, so yan na. So, ito na. So, ito na. Yung kay Ma'am Bicolana, ito na ang ating pictures for today. Bicolana sa Las Vegas yata to. Good Friday. Good Friday ang title ng video ni Ma'am Bicolana from Las Vegas. So, shout out, ma'am. Ayan. Shout out rin tayo sa iba. Mamaya, sa second natin video. So, ipa-play natin yan. So, shout out Ma'am Bicolana sa Las Vegas. At saka ito si Inting Butingting. Kanyang bagong vlog is 16 Magic Star Stand Pan. Yan. So, loading na. So, Inting Butingting, shout out. Pictures natin yung video nyo. Ha? Yan. So, Norin Vlog is dana siya. Okay. Mag-comment muna ako. So, next i-play natin si Palabras del Biblia. Okay. Play yan. Okay. Shout out, ma'am. Palabras. Si Kwan, ongoing yan. Hindi pa tapos yung video niya. It's 19 minutes video. Yan. Si Ma'am Fatima is 3 hours video yan. So, pag member ko, adopted member means hindi ko membro. So, I accept them as a member also. Like, living after 50s, silang Hanipay Vlog, si Happy Home, sino pa yung iba? Kalimutan ko na. Yung, kalimutan ko na, sorry. Hanapin ko muna. Marami ko adopted member na hindi ko member. Shen, si Drone for Life. Member ko si Drone. Ito pala. Ito pala. Adopted member ko yan. Si Pink 26 Lover. Yan. So, Pink 96 Lover, Drone from Life, mga member ko yan. Si Living After 50, si Ma'am Fatima. Shout out sa inyo. shout out na rin kay yun, Hanipay Ameripino, yan si Jocelyn Barlam, shout out. Ineris World, shout out. Genie Production Bicolana, tapos na yan, shout out ko na kayo na pictures ko nga. So si Inting Butingting yun, nakabutingting na. Meron binutingting si Inting, yan. Yan si Ma'am Kuan Bicolana. Meron tayong din, nagpipli din ako kay Kuan, kay sana yun. Yun si Shen. Ayan. Pero hindi pa mamaya sa part 2. Okay? Part 3.